New video out today in the deadly shooting of a Dallas police officer, the final moments before the suspect was killed.
You're watching NBC 5 News at 6.
Dallas police have released dash camera video from the very end of their confrontation with the man who shot and killed one police officer and wounded two others. We want to warn you in advance. We are about to share that video. Here's NBC 5's Maria Guerrero.
As tributes continue for fallen Dallas police officer Darron Burks and his family, both blue and blood, prepare for a funeral with full honors to be held Saturday at Watermark Church in Dallas. DPD is releasing edited video of the deadly confrontation with his accused killer.
Got the door coming open. Use caution. He's looking back, still in the car.
Over 17 seconds, Corey Cobb B walks toward officers, a rifle with a high-capacity magazine in his left hand.
Coming out with a weapon. Coming out with, nope, hands are up. He's got a weapon in hand, walking back towards officers.
Officers Nathaniel Baker, David Lem, Corey Reed, Richard Pace, Vladimir Perez, and Joel Portillo all fired their department-issued firearms, striking the suspect multiple times.
Chief Eddie Garcia on Friday saying they won't be releasing video of the initial rampage where Cobb B reportedly approached, briefly chatted up Burks seated in his patrol car, and executed him, recording the heinous act. Then lying in wait for more officers, shooting Senior Corporal Jamie Farmer in the leg and Senior Corporal Carissa David in the face. She remains in the hospital, now in stable condition.
The part that should have been released for investigative purposes for the public to see in terms of transparency and holding their officers accountable has already been seen. I think anything that goes beyond that, in my point, is to create traumas that may in fact be unnecessary.
After reviewing the felony stop in Louisville at our request, criminologist Alex Del Carmen, with 27 years of experience training police, says officers' actions were measured and by the book.
They didn't ram into the vehicle. They did not, massacre the person inside the car without giving the person a chance to get out of the car. He gets out. He's got a rifle.
Maria Guerrero, NBC 5.
Cobb B's recent social media content showed he was discussing end times and referred to himself as a Moor. That is a reference to the Moorish Science Temple of America. His last message indicated he was searching for the nearest temple in Dallas. The Dallas Branch Temple has issued a statement affirming the organization's commitment to peace and nonviolence. It says, in part, our teachings at the Moorish Science Temple of America are rooted in these principles, and we unequivocally state that we do not tolerate any form of violence. It goes on to say that we stand in solidarity with the Dallas community and its efforts to keep all citizens safe.